So it should come out just like this.
Cool.
So the only thing I was holding, like I said, this is the tape. Okay, so it's this tape, which you will need to replace with double tape again. You can get it from any hardware store, and you'll be okay. Okay, so now the next step is to take the screen out, and it's only, there's one screw, two screws here, and side screws there's 1, 2, and side screw there's 1, 2. So there's only 4 screws, you know, that you need to be worried about to take out. Okay, so I'll start and I'll pause it, and when I'm done I'll start it up again.
So now that you have the screws out and where they are to be, you're taking the base out, the screen out.
Yeah.
The old screen is going goodbye.
So here we go. Take this one out. I'm gonna take the cover off. I can always work with it. Okay. Yeah. Take this out. So now when you lift it up like so, we should see the cable down here that's holding it in place. And so I'm gonna put another piece of paper just under here. Okay, so you guys can see there's the ribbon cable. Now all that you do is you gotta take the tape out of here. Okay, just be gentle. And then the cable just pops right out.
Cool.
And this thing goes like so. So there's the connector. The connector is there. And it's gonna go in like this.
Aligning it perfectly.
Yeah. There we go. Bingo. We're in.
Cool.
Okay. So we can push this all back in. And this comes all the way back here. Okay. This comes up into here. Okay, I tighten this one. I'm gonna tighten this. Take the tape out, make sure it's on the outside. And I am done. That's it. Now I just simply put these screws back in here. Okay, that holds the top part. It's just a matter of sliding this one back on and putting it in properly. So we have a look. Okay, there's a tab there, tab there, tab there. Okay.
4 tabs.
4 tabs. I'm just gonna work my.
Right, so we're gonna put everything together first.
Yeah, we know we did it first. And this one here. Just align. I only want to make sure that the screws and all that is in perfect alignment. Okay. The clip. There. That's where it goes. Okay. Now that's securely in. Use the blue cable to guide it in. And go in straight. Okay. That one's secure. Insertion. I go like that. Be careful not to break the cable. Okay, right in there, and then just push it down. And then align the holes and press it in. Okay, and then after that you can tighten the screws from the bottom.
Very good.
And this one here.
This is the best part of doing it, putting the screws back in easily.
Yeah. Now we do the keyboard. It didn't reach in, so I gotta first probably do one of the keyboard screws on the edges to pull it in. Okay.
100% done.
Now we plug it in and see
And it will turn on.
let's see what happens. Okay. Here comes the test. You should see something there.
And there it is.
There it is.
Touchdown. And it worked.
So that's it for this one.